Okay, so hello guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this testimonial slider from scratch. And if you want to add a testimonial section in your Shopify websites, so you can do that by watching this video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this. And this is totally responsive for all the screens like mobile and all the screens. Okay, so this is made using the Liquid programming language, which is the Shopify official language. Okay, so for making this, so let me show you the options which are here. Okay, so let me go to the add new section, and I'm going to show you from scratch. Okay, so so let first refresh our customize option. I think it is not showing the testimonial slider here. Okay, and this is also totally mobile responsive, and you can also drag and drop to go here, and this is also auto slide. Okay, so like here you can see that these slides are auto slides, and this is totally customization from the dashboard. Okay, so I will show you how to make this from scratch, and this is the Liquid programming code which I have written here, and I'm gonna give this code to you for free. Okay, so I will put a link in the video description from where you can download this code. Okay, so let back to this, and let me wait for our customization to open. So you can see that this is our customization option, and if I go to the add section option, here you will see that there is an option of testimonial slider here. Okay, so if I go here and let me add this testimonial from scratch. Okay, so what are the settings you will get in this? Okay, so if we go to this testimonial slider first, we have this option to add the heading. So let me add our new clients here. Okay, so it will come here, and you can also change its font color. Okay, so if I go to here, and if you want to change the background color of this, you can also go here and change the whole background color of this. Okay, so I am gonna keep it white only. Okay, so and if you want to change its font size, you can go here and change the font size. Okay, so it will be in the like this. And if you want to make its fonts bigger, you can also do that by going to the bold option. Okay, so it will be bold and then bolder. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add all this customization option in your theme. Okay, so the here you can see that there is an option of add slide. If I go to the add slide, and let me open to the slide, and here you can see that you have an option to add the image and change the font color, and all the fonts style and all. So okay, so let me show you first what we are going to make in this video, and I will give you the code for free. Okay, so here is the option to add the image. Okay, so let's uh, change the slide bg color. You have to go here and change the slide bg color. Let me choose the red one. Okay, so it will change. And if you want to write here something, let me write slide one, and you can also write here description whatever you want. Let me give here lorem ipsum. Okay, so lorem ipsum, and let's duplicate this. Okay, now if you want to change the heading font color, you can also do that. And if you want to change this description color, you can also go here and change this. Okay, so this is fully customizable from the dashboard, and I'm going to show you how to make this. Okay, so if you want to make this bold, you can also do this. Okay, change the font size and all. Okay, so let's keep it 25. And if you want to change the font size of the description, you can also go here and change the description font size. Let's make it 20, and it will be in the bigger. So I am gonna keep the 15 here. Okay, so these are the customization option. And if you want to add another slide, you can also go here and add another slide. Let me add one more slide. Okay, and you can do all of this from here, whatever you want to change. Let me add this also, and let's change the heading font color. Let's first change the bg color of this. Okay, and keep it white. Okay, so it is showing here. Okay, so let's duplicate this a bigger description will appear. Okay, so let me save it and see if it is working or not. Okay, so this is saved. So let's go to our front end and let's refresh this. Okay, so here you can see that it is come. Okay, so let's start the video and I'm going to make this from scratch. Okay, so for this you have to go to this customization option, and from here go to the edit code, and now we have to, and now we are in the theme editor section. Okay, so let me, so you have to go to this assets. No, you have to go to this section option, and from here add a new section, add a new section. Okay, so let's name the section new testimonial slider and save it. Okay, so and for doing the slide, we're gonna use the Swiper.js library, which is a very famous library for making the slides and all. Okay, so let me open the Swiper.js library here, and I'm gonna show you how to use this. Okay, so this is the official website of the Swiper.js library, and we have to go to the getting started. So this library is used for making the slides, and this is used by so many people. You can use this for your React project and Vue project and any basic HTML project or the Shopify Liquid project. Okay, so I'm gonna use this for my Shopify Liquid project to make this slide. Okay, so now let's wait for its loading, and let's, okay. So when you add this new file, okay, so we have to remove all of this, and I'm going to give you the code of this testimonial slider. Okay, so this is the code. This is approx this much. Okay, so first we have to add the HTML part. Okay, so let me go to the top, and I'm going to copy this from here, and we're gonna paste this in this. Okay, so let me explain this code to you. Okay, so the upper code is the Swiper.js library. Okay, so these are the file which we have which I have saved in the assets folder. Okay, so these are the main file which I have saved in the asset folder, and from the assets folder the files are the swiperbundle.min.css and swiperbundle.min.js. Okay, so if you want to download these files, you have to go to this Swiper.js library, and from here you have to go to this download assets, and you will find a link to download the Swiper.js library. So you have to simply unzip it, and you will get this two file, and then you have to save this file in the assets folder. Okay, and if you want to include this file in your liquid section, you have to just write this code too. Okay, so in this way, in the liquid language, if you want to include additional CSS or JS library, we have to write this. Okay, okay, so next let's move to this HTML section. So this is our main container, and this is our swiper container, and this is the swiper wrapper, and it is a swiper slide. Okay, so it is our HTML part. Okay, so this swiper wrapper and the swiper slide, it is you can see that if you go to here, and here it is explained that how to use the swiper.js library. Okay, so this is the swiper slide and swiper wrapper. So you will understand by going here and reading this doc from scratch. Here it is explained very well how to use the swiper.js library, and this is the jQuery part of this, and this is the CSS for the swiper container, the full container. Okay, so this is the testimonial main container, and this is are the block. And okay, so if you know the basic liquid language and how to use the HTML and CSS language, you will understand what is written here. Okay, okay, so let's move to the next section, and for this time I'm gonna add this script section, which is the swiper.js section. Okay, so let's copy this code. Next one, script section, and we have to go to this below, very below, and paste this. Okay, so this is the code which I have get from here. Okay, by this. So it is the code which I have written or paste there. Okay, okay, so now you have to copy the CSS part of this. So this is the CSS part from style, and you have to copy this from here. Okay, above the schema. Okay, so let's go to the script part, and from here I have to paste this style section. Okay, so this is paste. Okay, so now we have to add the schema section. Okay, so this is the schema section. So what is the schema? So if you know, in the liquid section, or in the liquid, or in the liquid programming, whatever option you are seeing here in the in this, okay, the font size and this heading font color and this all are the part of the schema. Okay, this all are the part of the schema. So let me copy this schema from here till the end schema. Okay, so you have to copy this from here and up to the schema part, and then go to here, and after the style section we have to paste this schema. Okay, so let me explain this schema to you. Okay, so in the schema we have to name the first whatever name we have to go to, we have to give to our section, and then in the settings we have to give the settings which we want to show in the customize. Okay, so like here you can see that it is a testimonial slider, and I have given the settings like type equal to text, id, heading and label. Okay, so I will explain only this first one, and you will understand this by going to the Shopify documentation. Okay, if you want to learn, you can go to the shopify.dev, where is the official documentation of the liquid language and how to use the schema and all. Okay, you have to go there and then go to the APIs and references, and from here you can see that there are so many options and you can read all the docs and all. Okay, okay, so let me show you the sneak peek. Okay, so this is the uh, name testimonial slider, and if I go here, let me go to the first one, the main testimonial slider, and you can see that here there is an option for this heading option. So this option is coming from here, the text heading. Okay, then we have the this option font color, and this option is here heading, font color, background color. Okay, so this is all added by using this schema. Okay, so and it is the block option. So and I have written here name slide. Okay, so this block option will appear here in the add slide option. Okay, so this option is coming, the add slide option. This is the blocks, and we are looping this block every time whenever we want to add a new slide. Okay, so I have added this for loop in the div section or the HTML section. So you can see that for block in section dot blocks it is added, and it is looping again and again to add a new block. Okay, so I hope you have basic understanding of the liquid language, how it works. Okay, so this is all the schema section, and if you want to show the section here in the add section option, you have to add this presets. If you don't add this preset, the section will don't appear here in the add section option. Okay, so let me save this code, and let's refresh our front end or this option, and let's see if our new section is coming or not. Let me rename this section and name it new testimonial slider, and let's save it the section. Now we have to go to the customize option, and let me refresh this page, and I'm gonna show you if this is coming in the add section option or not. Okay, so in the add section option, okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, so this is open, so let me go to the add section, and from here we have to, okay, so this is coming new slider or the new. Okay, so let's open this, the new one which we have made. Okay, so here you can see that this is same, we are getting the heading text. Okay, the head to so the heading is coming, and you can go to the add slide option, and from here you can add all the images and all, and it is fully customizable. Okay, okay, so I will give you this full code in the video description, and this is the schema part, and above this it is a CSS style part, and above this I have added the script tag which is used for the Swiper.js library, and it is the HTML part. Okay, okay, so let me show you what is this. Here you can see that I have written blog dot settings dot box bg color, or you can see that section dot settings dot heading. Okay, so this is coming from here. So this is the heading part of this, and if you want to make it dynamic, we have added this here section dot. We have to name the section dot settings then dot heading. Okay, so in this way we are making this all things. Okay. Okay, so let's now go to our front end and let's refresh it once. Okay, so this is totally responsive, and these are the navigation dots which will appear. Okay, so these are the dots here are here. Okay, these are the dots. This swiper pagination. It is it comes from the Swiper.js library. Okay, so I hope you like our video, and if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel for more Shopify Liquid videos like this. And I'm gonna see you next time.